It is official that the DAP will be taken to the various places that the organizations are saying.
The government, through the National Cereals and Produce Board, will make available 1.4 million bags, 1.4 million bags of 50 kg of fertilizer to farmers during the ongoing short rains season at the prices as stipulated here below. The new cost of DAP will be 3,500 from nearly 7,000. The price of CAN will be 2,875. The cost of urea, again, that was way beyond 7,000, will be 3,500. NPK 3,275, MOP 1,775, while sulfate of ammonia will be 2,220.